Toyota unveils affordable work truck in Thailand, the Hilux Champ. In a refreshing departure from the world of luxury trucks with hefty price tags, Toyota has introduced the Hilux Champ, a budget-friendly pickup now available for purchase in Thailand. Drawing inspiration from the IMV0 concept showcased at the 2023 Japan Mobility Show, the Hilux Champ combines affordability with versatility, making it a compelling option in the market with a starting price of $459,000 bought approximately $13,070 or €11,930, and the highest configuration reaching 577,000 baht, $16,430 or €15,000. The Hilux Champ is positioned as an accessible workhorse, while color options are limited to white, silver, or gray. The vehicle offers a range of body styles to cater to various needs, from an RV and food truck to a medical van or camper equipped with a roof-mounted tent. Toyota Thailand presents 8 distinct trim levels, encompassing both short and long wheelbase variants, including a minimalist version without a bed. The powertrain options consist of 2.0 and 2.7-liter gas engines, along with a 2.4-liter diesel engine. Transmission choices include a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. Despite its compact dimensions to 108.6 inches in length, 70.2 inches in width, and 68.3 inches in height, with a wheelbase of 121.4 inches, the Hilux Champ boasts a robust payload capacity. The long wheelbase model with a bed and diesel engine weighs in at 6,150 pounds to 1,790 kilograms, capable of carrying a maximum payload of 2,204 pounds, 1,000 kilograms. Manufactured locally at the Samrong plant, the Hilux Champ emphasizes adaptability, offering over 100 compatible accessories. The versatility of this affordable work truck extends beyond its initial purpose, with customizable conversions catering to diverse applications. Mercedes-Benz, redefining heritage beyond combustion engines. In a comprehensive interview with Top Gear magazine, Marcus Breitschwert, head of Mercedes-Benz Heritage, articulated a transformative perspective on the brand's heritage. He emphasized that Mercedes-Benz's legacy is not confined to the combustion engine, but rather rooted in producing groundbreaking technologies of the highest quality to meet evolving needs. This declaration signifies a profound shift, positioning Mercedes-Benz as a torchbearer of innovation and adaptability. Breitschwert further asserted, "The combustion engine is not the decreed technology. We're looking for the best solution, the breakthrough technology." As we always have, this philosophy underscores a commitment to continuous evolution, prioritizing pioneering solutions over allegiance to specific technologies. Aligned with this forward-thinking ethos, Mercedes-Benz announced in mid-2021 its ambitious goal of transitioning to a purely electric lineup by 2030, contingent upon market conditions. This strategic move reflects a proactive response to the accelerating global shift toward electrification. During an interview with Reuters at the 2023 IAA Mobility Show, CEO Ola Kalinius pragmatically projected that Europe might not be fully prepared for an all-electric Mercedes lineup by the end of the decade. This pragmatic perspective emphasizes the brand's commitment to transitioning to electrification in harmony with market readiness. Mercedes-Benz, renowned for its legacy of pioneering automotive technologies, is not merely embracing electrification, it is redefining its heritage by placing innovation, sustainability, and cutting-edge solutions at the forefront. Mercedes-Benz emerges as a trailblazer in a dynamically transforming automotive landscape.